What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. What we're going to knock out real quick is this is the 6.6 that we put the LT5 cam in. Dad got it painted up this week, and that's the, is that antique nickel or is that
antique satin
and
double clear coat?
Antique satin nickel with 2 coats of clear, and it actually turned out better than the same color is on the 65 here, the 65, and it turned out better than that, so it's pretty cool. Looks real good. So this can be a quick little deal. It's getting a supercharger on it, so it's just getting the stock front accessories, and I think we're going back with those stock exhaust manifolds, no headers. So it's just gonna be a quick little build. The main part of the video today is back there somewhere. We have the 6.2 that is getting the Texas Speed cam, springs, trunnions, all that good stuff. So it's getting a pretty big build on that one. So we're gonna get the heads on that one because that one needs to go on the other side over here and get ready for paint. And in bigger news, the boat's gone. The boat's out of the way, so we got our room now. So I plan to start trying to organize this over here, get me a little workbench or a table, and have a separate set of tools over here for tear down. We got our lights hooked up, and got some stickers going on the wall, a few things here and there, so make it kind of cool. I just got to share this side over here with the lawnmower, but yeah, a lot more room. And then Dad's gonna have a full area over here just for painting, so that'll be nice for him. So as far as we can go on this one, it is getting a supercharger, so no intake. The fuel pump, direct injection pump, is broken. This harness for this direct injection side is broken, so this is gonna have to come back off. We just kind of put it in there now just to keep stuff from falling down in there. The dipstick is broken, and that's what you get on these GM deals. You know, sometimes you just don't know what you get into when they come in. So a lot of broken pieces, and this one's supposed to be getting LT4 headers. I thought I was gonna put the stock exhaust manifolds on, but we checked the paperwork, is getting LT4 headers, which we don't have, so that's why that's like that. But we did put spark plugs in it. All we can do.
Going in a 57 Chevy pickup.
Yeah, not like this though. It's gonna have to be finished, but
Be sweet.
yeah, it's missing a lot. You know, no coils. Every coil was broke when it got here, so that's what you get. Get what you get. Okay, so this is the 6.2 that's getting the T56 manual, so we're not going to be doing a transmission on it. But we got to get the cam put in, and we're going to put these heads on. Dad wants to get this one ready so he can paint it next week. And for the first time this summer, we got the AC on. One of the questions I got asked not too long ago in some comments was when we do these heads, is if we chase these threads with anything for the block or clean them. And what we do is we just got a head bolt with some grooves cut in it, so you can just run that down in there and clean out any trash or whatever. And we always blow them out with the air compressor anyway. And we also have one for the spark plugs, so it's just an old spark plug with some grooves cut in it, so it'll get all the trash or anything out of the thread holes. So I just chased all the threads real quick with that thread chaser you just saw, and then Dad's just getting the block surface clean. The head surface is already, I did these at my house, already been done. So I think while you're doing that, let's cut to a short video of me putting the springs on. So we're getting ready to install the cam. This is from Texas Speed, and there's the if anybody's interested, there's the specs that this guy went with. He is using a manual transmission, and it says it has a 32% fuel lobe, right? And then it says right here, do not use the included lash cap for LT4 pumps. So this ain't an LT4 pump. It's just a regular 6.2 L86 pump. We'll put that cap on.
Yes, we do.
Because it's included. This installs on top of that plunger. That's what I call it. I don't know what it is, but the fuel pump lifter. It just looks like a little
cap.
little lash cap.
So not the easiest old guy here to do. Take him off.
So the reason why it still needed that lash cap, even though it just kind of dawned on me, so I'm kind of backtracking, but so it has a 32% fuel lobe on it. You still need that lash cap installed on the lifter. This is a supercharger cam. I've forgotten it's getting an LT4 blower. So I was just a little confused about why we still had a 32% fuel lobe and still requiring the lash cap. It just needs that little extra lift. So, and you're getting ready to put the cam in now.
Yeah. It's our cam tool.
Our cam tool. And gonna get it lubed up. All right, so we got the cam all lubed up, and here we go. A little different from last weekend. I'm doing the one with the head still on. Let's see if we get a different angle here. Let's see it going through. Almost home. There it is.
That has a light coating of grease on
All right, so the cam's in. I went ahead and put the DOD caps on. Get ready to put lifters in. All right, so we've had these lifters soaking since all this kit came in. So they're been soaking in some nice, fresh, clean motor oil. And we're gonna get ready to load them in our lifter trays here. Those things are slippery. Here we go. That's a messy job.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna get ready to put the phaser on the camshaft and get everything in time here. So that dowel's at about 3 o'clock position, which is where you want it. And we got our new phaser bolt. Let's see if we can get that lined up. That's it right there, ain't it?
Holding the cam out for you this time.
Yeah, that helps. Okay,
Yeah, I'm learning as we go.
we get our crank sprocket. And since we're in time, I pretty much know where we need to be. Should be it right there. And since this motor doesn't have a flywheel, you could stick a crank bolt in there if you wanted to, but just to hold back up while I torque this phaser down,
Yeah.
what I figured we could do is put this tool on. And it'll hold it right there.
Yeah.
So what we're looking at is 48 foot-pounds and then 90 degrees. So there's 48. And we're going to switch it over to degrees, and that's 90 degrees. The locator things make it nice, but they also make it difficult. Alright, pull those locators out. Got a broken locator now, huh? Look at that, snapped on.
Oh, damn.
I'm gonna have to order another one.
That was cracked too, look.
Yep, well, we use them a lot. All right, so we prepped our block service and head service with alcohol, and we got one gasket on right now, and we're about to put one head on, I guess, and go ahead and get the new headlights laid out. Yep. All right, so you're going to do the front cover. I'm going to go ahead and get the push rods going and the rocker arms going now. We got some Texas Speed push rods. There's the part number on them. They are 7.85 inch 3/8 push rods. Yeah, this one will be, as soon as we get the valve covers on, it'll be ready to go to the paint shop.
I'm gonna say that I really enjoy working on these motors with you.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
I figured if it wasn't for this, what would we be doing?
I don't know.
Did you ever think you'd be doing this? I didn't. Had no idea.
No, I mean, if I wouldn't,
Yeah.
I'd probably have me a little project car or truck again, I guess, by now, or a boat that I'm sitting around that I don't use. I don't know.
I'm just thinking
We've always had stuff to tinker with.
the knowledge that you've gained.
Yeah.
You know, that's incredible because, I mean, normally you're watching guys on TV build these things, you go, oh, I couldn't do that. Now look at you.
Oh yeah, that stuff's easy.
To you it is now, but when
Mhm.
I first started,
Yeah.
I remember the first LT, I took that thing apart, one thing, and labeled everything, put it on the table, so I'd make sure, I wanted to find out how it was built.
And we find out they're easier to work on than the old stuff.
Yeah.
And they're better than the old stuff. They make more power than the old stuff.
I remember all MLS was doing And there was 2 or 3 LTs sitting over in the corner. He said, eventually we have to get one of them. I said, yeah. And I kept saying, yeah.
Okay, we need to spin it around.
Okay.
Just recheck it on 22. All right, get one last look at these before you'll never see none of this ever again. Some of that stuff looks so cool and then you cover it up. All right, that's gonna do it for us today. We got the 6.2, got the cam in, heads on, ready for paint. So be finishing that up hopefully pretty soon. It's not getting the transmission, so it'll be pretty easy. And then maybe next weekend, we got all this to deal with. This is the one that came in from 3 different shops that, I mean, they just didn't, somebody did something wrong, we're not sure, but we're getting it fixed up.
Finish
So
putting this guy together too.
and we'd like to finish this one up too. Yeah, so this one's still waiting on a converter from Circle D. It's been waiting on it for a few months. This one was waiting on an oil pump. We just got it in today. So it's taking a while to get parts. So yeah, we're gonna end it off today. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.